Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really exciting, the top tax benefits and write-offs you can expect when starting an LLC in 2025. I'm going to break everything down in simple terms and show you exactly how to maximize your savings. Why form an LLC in 2025? So the thing is, forming an LLC has never been more advantageous than it will be in 2025. The tax landscape is changing, and smart business owners are positioning themselves to take advantage of new deductions and benefits. Plus, with more people starting online businesses than ever before, protecting your personal assets through an LLC structure just makes sense. Now, before we dive into the tax benefits, let me quickly mention that if you're looking to form your LLC without any hassle, I highly recommend Tailor Brands. They make the whole process super simple and handle all the paperwork for you. I will get into more details about their services later in the video, but for now, let's focus on those juicy tax benefits. Well, this is where things get really interesting. As an LLC owner in 2025, you will have access to some amazing write-offs. First off, you can deduct 100% of your home office expenses. This includes a portion of your rent or mortgage, utilities, and internet costs. Actually, with more people working from home, the IRS has made these deductions even more accessible. You see, one of the biggest advantages is being able to write off all your business equipment. This means your laptop, printer, phone, and even software subscriptions are tax deductible. In 2025, you can actually write off up to $5,000 in equipment purchases right away through Section 179 deduction. Now, here's something really exciting. Business travel deductions are getting more generous in 2025. You can write off airline tickets, hotel stays, and 50% of your meals when traveling for business. And if you use your personal vehicle for business, you can deduct either the standard mileage rate or actual vehicle expenses. The thing is, as an LLC owner, you can deduct 100% of your health insurance premiums. Plus, you can set up a self-employed 401k or SEP IRA, allowing you to contribute way more to your retirement than you could as an employee. In 2025, these contribution limits are expected to increase even further. Basically, any professional services you need for your business are tax deductible. This includes legal fees, accounting services, and business consulting. Plus, you can write off educational expenses like online courses, workshops, and business-related books. Well, here's another great benefit. All your marketing and advertising costs are fully deductible. This includes website expenses, social media advertising, business cards, and even networking event fees. In 2025, digital marketing expenses are expected to get even more favorable treatment. So if you're ready to start taking advantage of these benefits, let me show you the easiest way to form your LLC. Tailor Brands makes the whole process incredibly simple. You just visit their website, fill out some basic information about your business, and they handle everything else. They'll file all the necessary paperwork, provide you with a registered agent service, and even help you get your EIN from the IRS. Now, to make sure you can claim all these write-offs, you need to keep proper documentation. This means saving receipts, maintaining separate business bank accounts, and keeping detailed records of all business expenses. Trust me, this will make tax time so much easier. The key to maximizing your LLC tax benefits is planning ahead. I mean, you should consider working with a tax professional who can help you structure your business in the most tax-efficient way possible. They can also help you identify additional deductions you might not know about. Actually, there are a few common mistakes new LLC owners make that can cost them money. One is mixing personal and business expenses. Another is not keeping proper records. And perhaps the biggest mistake is not taking advantage of all available deductions because they simply don't know about them. On the other hand, the tax benefits for LLCs are expected to get even better in the coming years. New legislation is constantly being proposed to support small businesses, and staying informed about these changes can help you save even more money. Wrapping things up. Well, there you have it. The top tax benefits and write-offs for LLC owners in 2025. If you're ready to start your LLC and take advantage of these benefits, remember to check out Tailor Brands using the link in the description below. They'll make the whole process super easy and ensure you're set up correctly from day one. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more business tips and tax saving strategies. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions about LLC tax benefits or the formation process. I always love hearing from you guys and helping out where I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.